Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making Meethi Aloo ki Sabzi. Subscribe my channel. All ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Tomato. Meethi. Potato. Red chili powder. Red chili. Garam masala. Coriander powder. Turmeric powder. Kashmiri lal mirch. Salt. Water. Now cook in low flame for 10 minutes. After 3 minutes, check. Now leave for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, Meethi Aloo ki Sabzi is ready. Now serve. Sabzi is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves. Like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah hafiz.